What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. Today I have a basic ABC medium skin fade. As you already know my style, the other side of the haircut has already been recorded. If you're new to the channel, I'm suggesting that you subscribe right now. If you're already a subscriber, I thank you for your beautiful comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for like, comment, and share. Let's go! Today I'm going to be balling out with my 5-0. So I'm going to leave the bottom section. When I do take it off, it's going to be with the 5-0 blade. Let's go. All right. I'm going to be creating my first guideline. No. Actually, I'm going to take down the boat with my 1.5. From there, I'm going to do my OA guideline and fade up from there. Let's go. This is my 1.5 blade. Shout out to Cuts from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Before I move on, I'm going to do a quick clip of a comb. If you're curious, I have the 08 blade on. This is the blade that I usually use for my clip over comb techniques. All right, I'm gonna go back with my 08 and create my first guideline. OA, then 000. Now 5-0. This time I'm going to include the bottom portion with it. It's very much the same thing. OA, 000, 50. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my 1.5 and start fading up. As you already know, I have a 1.5 right about here. I'm gonna touch it up just a tad bit more. Then I'm gonna squeeze in my OA, my 1A, 108, maybe the 000 one more time, then move on from there. So this is the 1.5 blade one more time, then I'm gonna start fading under it. All right, now this is the 1A, below the 1.5. Then the 1 below the 1A. gonna zoom in a little bit more. All right, we're gonna zoom in a little so you guys can see every detail. Boom, here we go. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber Studio in Waukegan, Illinois. All right, back to my one blade. Then my OA. As I see fit, maybe might use the 000 as I see fit. Once again, this is the OA blade below my one. Now, here comes my 000. Nice and soft. Not much of it necessary. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps on the second guideline, starting with the 1.5 blade. I'm gonna adjust the light a little bit. I think it's a little bit too bright. All right, that's about good enough. All right, starting with the 1.5, I'm gonna repeat the same steps to make sure my blend is nice and clean. Let's go. 1.5. Boom. Then the 1A. Get in there. Then the 1. Then the OA, very light this time. I don't need a lot of it, just a tad bit. Boom. All right, YouTube, we're looking good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze in the shaver in the bottom. Nice and soft. Brush, brush, brush. All right, I'm gonna use my phlegm line to make sure that my transition is nice and smooth into my blend from the shaver nice and smooth, no line. Then I move on from there. All right, this is my slim line. To make sure my transition is nice and smooth. All right. Oh man, I make this thing look easy. I think I'm about done. Wow, this is incredible. Wow, this is it. All right. The great majority of the haircut has already been completed. I'm gonna tidy up the C-cup a little bit, touch up the front with a quick razor lining. Nothing dramatic. And then we're gonna move on from there. I believe today is August 4th, 2019, Sunday, August 4th, 2019. All right, I'm just gonna clean up the forehead with a quick razor lining. Then we're gonna move on. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, boom. All right, this is one of the quickest video I ever did. We're about done. Wow. Barber Illuminati is not messing around anymore. My mess around days are over. All right, I'm going to touch up the other side quickly with the razor. As you can tell, the lining has already been completed. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. There's not a whole lot left to do. Let me style the top a bit. As you can see, the way my client wears his hair, he very much just let the top be, really. There's no particular style that he comes in, he just let the top be. So this is exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a quick span. This video is about my fading technique. Nothing more, nothing less. I'm going to squeeze in a quick clip of a comb right about here, around the ridge, in the crown area on the right side. Then we're going to do a quick spin, then we're going to shut it down. All right? A bit, just a soft clip of a comb on this side. Nothing dramatic. All right. We're going to do a quick spin. All right, YouTube, here we go. Let me clean up a little bit better. I want to make sure everything is crystal clear. All right, here comes the spin. Oh man, this is incredible stuff. Wow. All right, here we go. Wow. 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 Wow, the Barber Illuminati is not messing around anymore. His messing around days are over. Wow. Wow, this is incredible. Look at this. Wow. Wow, this is amazing. Wow. Alright YouTube, if you watched the video all the way this far, you are really a true subscriber. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, you can find me on Instagram, Barber Illuminati.